Hey, what's up? It's Jason, Sugar House Farmers Market. You ever wondered how soap's made? Well, Tami with Beehive Soap, she's going to be at the farmers market this year, and she actually made us some soap and showed us how she does it. So let's head on over to her place and see how that's done.
Hi, my name is Tami Thornton. I'm the owner of Beehive Soap and Body Care. I'll be participating in the Sugar House Farmers Market this year, and I'm really excited to be a part of that market. So today we're going to make soap, and we're going to make a batch that I call Energy Twist. I've done some of the measuring already, but we need to measure out the lye and get ready to make soap. One thing that you need to know when you're making soap is that measurements are very important. The amount of lye mixture that you're adding to your oils needs to be measured very carefully so that the ending product, your ending soap, will be moisturizing and gentle on your skin. So when you're measuring, you need to make sure you have a really nice scale. We're going to melt our solid oils. I have coconut oil and shea butter that I've already measured out. Add the liquid oils. So we have olive oil, sunflower oil, castor oil, and also apricot kernel oil. So just some oils to add to our soap. We're ready to make soap. I'm going to pour the lye mixture into the oils. We've added the lye to the oils, and we need to speed up the process, because if we just stir, this could take hours. So we're going to use a stick blender or an immersion blender to speed up the process. Okay, now we're going to add some of this soap that we've colored with the black. Just kind of a little bit here and there so we can get a nice swirl.